going on YouTube? My name is Ty, and my blog is xking.com. And as you see on the screen, this is my blog. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you some things that are some good ways to start a blog. Cause you always hear start a blog, write content, do whatever, but nobody told you, what some things to avoid and what are the things to do right from the beginning of starting a blog. So in this video, I'm going to show you what the things I've done wrong in my site that I could have done much better. So the number one thing that was just starting the blog, I've had 5 to 6 different websites that was supposed to be blogs, but I bought domain names and stuff like that, and I didn't know much about the content. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that whatever you're writing about, you know a lot about, because it's going to be hard to come up with new stuff and writing content on a regular basis if you don't know everything about that subject, or you're studying a subject and then you study and then you can write at the same time. So the number one thing is pick something. Don't base it on I use Google Sniper. If you don't know what Google Sniper was, Google Sniper in a short version is a program to show you how to make money online with sniper sites. And these sniper sites are just websites based on a ClickBank product or a product. You say like you do like a weight loss product, and you buy a domain name based on the name of the weight loss product. So say for SlimFast, you'll buy slimfastnow.com, and you'll write blog posts, 3 to 4 or 5 posts, just talking about that product and SlimFast. Nothing wrong with that, but they was teaching you to pick a product on ClickBank, pick a product to write about, which I did. I picked, they said pick a product that's very low competition that nobody's really using, and create a site with all about that. So I've done organic oils. I've done a gambling site because gambling is a big thing, and then I was write about gambling, but I don't gamble, so I know nothing about gambling. So I've done a lot of mistakes. So number one thing, you're starting the blog, make sure you pick a topic you know a lot about, that you could, if you find someone that can talk about what you like all day long, that's what you should write about. I love to go bowling. I have a bowling website. I like talking about blogging and helping people make money and save money. That's what I talk about this blog, how to save money, make money, how to do cashback apps as well on this site. That's what I'm into, that's what I use. So make sure that's the number one thing. Pick something that you know a lot about. Don't pick anything you don't know a lot about or monetize. You should have something that you know a lot about. And the next thing is to make sure that thing, that whatever that niche is, have something that you can make money with. Now you go to the second part, as what products can you promote within your niche. So it'd be skateboarding, jewelry, car trading, whatever it is. Make sure there's products and services you can promote as an affiliate. The next thing I would say, when you first start your blog, make sure you have a posting schedule. That's the most important thing. Now, people say you should post your content as soon as you write it, publish it. Right, you should do that. Excuse me. You should do that. But I picked a frequency, because I have 2 blogs. I have a frequency where I post content, and and this site is 3 posts per week. That's this site here. 3 posts per week is what I post on this site. My other site is 3 posts a week as well. So pick a frequency where I'm gonna do 2 posts a week. I'm gonna have 3 posts a week going out. And with WordPress, you can timestamp all of your blog posts. So you can write 3 posts in one day and have it go out Monday, Wednesday, Friday automatically. That way, Tuesday come, you can write 3 more posts and post that for the following week. Then Wednesday come, do 3 posts, post it for the 3rd week. And Thursday come, or Friday, write 3 posts. Now you're done for the whole month. All your posts are scheduled out to go live. So use the WordPress timestamp. It's the next one I would say. The Good thing about blogging is you can timestamp your work. So if you go out of town or it's a holiday season and you be out of town, you could timestamp all your work to go out live while you're out of town. So remember that a blog is an asset. That's the next thing. It is an asset that could make you money while you're sleeping. So remind that too. So number one is to make sure you pick a topic that you know a lot about. Don't spend your time on sites that you don't know much about. Number two is pick a frequency how you want to post. I want to do 3 posts a week. Okay. The next one I would say is what I would say. I would say blogging is long term. It's very long term. Don't sit there and wait around for your blog to start ranking, because it'll take 9 months to a year for one post to rank. So that's why I do the schedule, because I know if I publish it today, it's gonna be a long time anyway. So I just schedule them out, so I don't have to work as hard. For me, it's working harder, smarter, not harder. So that'd be my next thing to do, is that just keep posting content, pick a schedule, and this is very long term. So the top 3 things are: pick a niche that you know a lot about. Also pick a niche based on there's a high commission rate, something you know a lot about, and pick a frequency we want to post. And number 3, I would say it's very long term. It's very, very long term. Now, there are ways to get around that with Tailwind and Pinterest and other sites. I understand that. But prepare for the long run. Prepare. So that's why your blog should be a portfolio. Your whole business shouldn't evolve around one site. You should have 2 or 3 sites. Now, I have 2 sites, 2 blogs, but I also have 2 YouTube channels. So while you're writing content, posting content, Google is going to one day, you plant a seed in the ground, it's going to take a long time to grow. Go ahead and plant other seeds. Go ahead start another site, plant those seeds. Start a YouTube channel, plant those seeds. So you want to not only start a blog, you also want to start a YouTube channel. So this is very long term. You're not going to make money this week. You're not going to make money next week. So get that through your cranium. It's a very long term, and no, it's long term. So hey, just pick a frequency you could post per week. Let's say you do 2 posts per week. I say write 8 articles, 2, 4, 6, 8. Timestamp them to go up Tuesday or and then Thursday, whatever. You timestamp them, and those 8 posts will go out for the whole month. Now you have a whole month off. And you can focus on your second site. You can focus on your other businesses you want to run. You can focus on your YouTube channel. And you already know it's a long-term thing. So I'm not looking for instant gratification. So that's the 3 things I would do. The good way to start a blog is to pick something you know a lot about. Pick a frequency that you want to post on a regular basis. And keep in mind, this is a long-term. This is a long-term thing. Prepared to go a year and a half without making much money, based on how good your articles are, because it takes a long time to rank. And you got to remember, just because your article ranks doesn't mean you make money. Just because you start getting traffic doesn't mean you make money. Because you can have a good article promoting a product. Well, if Google finally ranks your post and you're getting traffic, the reader has to actually buy the product. So that takes time too. Now you might got to tweak the post. Maybe you got to change the post. So those 3 things are a good way to start a blog. It's an asset, pick a frequency, and it's a long-term asset to build. My name is TylerEsking.com. Thanks for watching.